Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix if the watch video tab is missing from your Facebook application. Now to fix it, all you have to do is tap on your profile icon from the top right and then scroll down and then tap on settings and privacy. Now from here tap on settings and then scroll down again and then tap on navigation bar. Now from here, tap on customize the bar. Now in here, as you can see, the watch tab is at the bottom here and it is hidden. Now the watch tab can also be here and set to auto. It doesn't matter where it is, all you have to do is find the watch tab and then tap on the little arrow next to it. And then tap on pin from the top. And now if we close our Facebook application, and then open it again, you can see that the watch tab is now here. And that is how you can fix the missing watch tab from your Facebook application on your Android or iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.